Welcome to YayCurrency, the ultimate multi-currency plugin that empowers your WooCommerce store to go global with ease. And guess what? YayCurrency has just rolled out some exciting new features to make your store's currency management even more seamless. Today we'll show you how to leverage these features. Let's dive in. First up, introducing Show Approximate Price option. As you can see on our product page here, besides the currency that you choose to see on this product, YayCurrency now allows you to see the approximate price based on your country. Thus, you can see two currencies on the product page. Let's figure out how to set up with YayCurrency. Now, on the WordPress dashboard, navigate to YayCurrency. With our WooCommerce business, we've set up many currencies here. To enable the new feature, check the Advanced Settings tab, then scroll down until you see an option like Show Approximate Price. By default, YayCurrency disables this function. Switch this toggle button to make it work. Yeah, you can see the section to adjust. With the label box here, keep the shortcode and enter the text you want to display for the approximate price label. The change will be reviewed here. You can select where to display the approximate price by checking the drop-down list of elements in the Display On section here. The product price HTML is the option selected by default. I'm going to add more product price in cart. You can select the others in this list. About the position, I want to display after original price, so I'm going to check this box. Once satisfied with all setup, hit this Save Change button. Yay, move to the product page of our WordPress website to see how your setup works. I want to choose to display the euro currency. The approximate price shows the currency of our country. Try to change other currencies here. This section still has not changed. Yay, as we know this feature of YayCurrency, now let's turn into the integration between YayCurrency and Google crawlers, or bots. Running a WooCommerce business, we want to make it have a good display on Google, which can create trust in your customers. This powerful option ensures that your store's default currency is correctly displayed to search engine crawlers. By enabling this, you'll improve your SEO performance and make your store more accessible to global audiences. Say hello to better rankings and more organic traffic. Still on the advanced settings of YayCurrency, you can see the option like Apply to Google crawlers or bots. Switch this toggle button to enable or disable this function. For example, I'm going to enable this, which means when I access Google crawlers on Google consolers, it will provide us with data to track the performance of the currency you choose on the product page. If you disable this feature, it will track according to your store's default currency. Hit to Save Changes button. Okay, on the dashboard of Google Consoler, click to see the crawled page. Continue with the screenshot page here. Yeah, can you see it? It shows the currency which you choose on the live store. Check the opposite option now, doing a similar step. Yeah, Google index the default currency of your WooCommerce store. Yes, we've walked through these new features of YayCurrency. So, what are you waiting for? Update your plugin today or start your free trial and see the difference it makes for your WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching this video. We'll come back with many wonderful features.